New at noon, the governors of Oregon, Washington, California, and Hawaii just released joint recommendations urging people to stay up to date on vaccines for COVID-19, flu, and RSV ahead of the winter virus season. The guidance comes through the newly formed West Coast Health Alliance, a partnership formed by the 4 states. Leaders said the recommendations are meant to provide consistent, science-based advice as the federal government reshapes its vaccine policies. The 4 governors released a joint statement saying, quote, "Our states are united in putting science, safety, and transparency first and in protecting families with clear, credible vaccine guidance. The West Coast Health Alliance stands united in protecting public health and always putting safety before politics," end quote. Health officials stressed vaccines remain the best defense against severe illness and the spread of respiratory viruses.